Hey guys, I have for you my Family Dollar breakdowns for this week. For the first option, you will grab a Gain softener for $3.95. Using a $2 off digital coupon will make it $1.95. You will grab a Gain detergent at $3.95. Using a $2 off digital coupon, making it $1.95. Then you will grab 2 Kleenex tissue, the slim packs, for $1.50 each. That would make it $3. And then you will use the $2 off of 2 digital coupon, making it $1 for both. Next, you will grab the Febreze small spaces at $3. There's a $2 off of 1 digital coupon, making it $1. Then you will grab 2 of the Febreze all refills at $5 each. That will give you $10. Then you will use the $5 off of 2 digital coupon, making it only $5 for both. The last item you will pick up will be the Tide Simply Pods at $2.95. There's a $2 off of 1 digital coupon that will make that only 95 cents. Once you pick up those items, your total will be $26.85. $20 in coupons will come off, making your out-of-pocket only $6.85 plus tax. For option number 2, you would grab 1 Tide liquid at $5.50. The $2 off digital coupon will make it $3.50. The next item you will grab will be a Gain detergent, $3.95. You will use the $2 off of 1 digital coupon, which will make it $1.95. Then you will grab the Tide Simply Pods at $2.95. There's the $2 off of 1 digital coupon that will make that 95 cents. Then get 2 of the Febreze all refills at $5 each, which will make that $10. You will use the $5 off of 2 digital coupon, making it only $5 for both. And the last item you will grab will be the Febreze small spaces on sale for $3 this week. There's a $2 off of 1 digital coupon that will make that only $1. Once you pick up those items, the total will come to $25.40. $18 in coupons will come off, making your out-of-pocket $7.40 plus tax. For option number 3, you will grab 1 Tide Simply Pods at $2.95. There's a $2 off digital coupon, making it only 95 cents. Then you'll grab the Febreze small spaces at $3. There's a $2 off of 1 digital coupon, making it only $1. Next, you will grab 2 Kleenex tissues, the slim pack, at $1.50 each. That will give you $3, and then you will use the $2 off of 2 digital coupon, making it only $1. Then you will grab an Advil at $5. There's a $4 off of 1 digital coupon, making it only $1. The Soft Soap Body Wash is $3. There's a $2 off of 1 digital coupon, making it only $1. 2 Dove bar soaps, the 3 packs at $3.50 each. That would give you $7. You will use the $2 off of 2 digital coupon, making it $5 for both. Then you'll grab a Suave body wash at $2. There's a 50-cent off of 1 digital coupon, making it $1.50. The last item you will grab will be your Crest toothpaste at $3. There's a $1 off of 1 digital coupon that will make that $2. Once you pick those items up, the total will come to $28.95. When you type in your phone number, $20.50 in digital coupons will come off, making your out-of-pocket only $8.45 plus tax. I have put together a total of 8 different options for you. Pick whichever one you feel is best for you. There will be a link in the description down below where you can get the printable document.